Okay then, weekend over, day 4 of detecting, before I have a couple of days break before heading off to Essex. Out with the Deus 2, haven't been out with that for a long while. With the storms that we've had, you can probably see all of the sand, and there's a nice cut there as well by the looks of it. So that is where I'll be doing today. Never know what I'm going to find, so fingers crossed we find something decent. I'd like a few coins if anything. If I get any jewellery, then that's just an added bonus. But yeah, enjoy and see you at the first hole. 46 not moving. Lower numbers than I would normally dig. Out. Oh, what's that? Bloody hell. Gold ring. Well, what's left of it. Just got the hallmark on there as well. Let's see if we can find the other part of it. Wow, gold ring straight off. Can't believe that. Can't believe that at all. Unbelievable. $67, $68. Now, what is that? Don't know. Is it meant to look like a snake ring? Or is it just wire that's been twisted around? I haven't got a clue. How weird. $49.50 and occasionally 51. Very, very, very weak signal. $52 to $54 now, the hole's open. Do we get a depth reading yet? slightly off. Let's have a look. Yeah, just slightly off. That might be out. Yeah, it is. That's a dog tag. Let's just see if we've got a name rather than the phone number. Yeah, I'll show you that side. There is a phone number on the other side, so clearly been there a long while. It says they're chipped, and this side doesn't show any name at all, so that'll do. Okay, a little heart. Quite sure what that is. Oh, bloody hell. Part of a vape. Surprise, surprise. Pineapple ice. Oh, I don't believe it. I just found another broken ring. Ring, or is it a brush? Yeah, look, it's a broken ring. Look. Yeah, another broken ring. Oh, I can't believe that. It's only a little scrape as well. Unbelievable. $84.85. Look at the point up. It's still in there according to that. Right, possibly out. And we have a fishing weight. Just a fishing weight. Not sure if it'll be an aluminium ball or something. It's an 84 solid. No, maybe not. Probably a fishing weight. Yeah, fishing weight. I ain't seen one of them before. Not that design anyway. 170 pattern. No, I've not seen that design before. Then you get the Geminis and things like that. But yeah, there you go. 170 pat. And it looks like we're on to our second coin of the day. It's a 20p piece. I didn't film it because I didn't actually think it was going to be. So yeah, 20p. So that's a grand total of 21p so far. Right then, afternoon session is going to be on sand. So I've moved a little bit further along. I'm now on a sandy beach. So I won't be going out into the mud, but I will be going down to that shoreline. But yeah, enjoy and see you hopefully on the first hole on this beach. Well, literally first coin sitting on the surface. It's only a penny. Penny's a penny. 67. Oh. It's a 50p. 50p. 88, 89. Should be a pound coin. No, it's fallen out. Oh no, it's a £2 coin. £2 coin. You can just see it. Just there, just at the end of the tip. Just on the surface. Well, near enough anyway, just literally peeking through. Pound coin. 67 not moving. Now, let's go for here first. £50p. 50p. Let's see what else there was here. 85, 84, 85. Now right next to the other hole, so probably dropped by the same person. It's in the scoop. Nugget. £55. Oh, it's in the scoop, whatever it is. Hopefully 5p. This is about the right numbers for a 5p. And it is. 5p. I think it's another candle. 76, 77. It's not far from where the other, yeah it is. There you go, another candle. Not far from where the other ones were. 85, 86. I know what it should be, but I'm not too sure whether it's going to be. It should be a pound. No numbers. And it's not, it's a can. Not only is it a can, what is that? What is that? Chaffing fuel, whatever that is. So for some form of a burner. Alright, I'll take it off the beach. Oh, that's my foot on the way down. Clearly missed it. It's an 87. Oh, it's in the scoop. There's a pound. Been there a little while. A pound. Right next to where I walked. 85. Out. In the scoop, whatever it is. Our car. Gotta love a car. It's a MG2. Wheel still spin. Yeah, little car. $67. Not very far down. £50p. Another 50p.